Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do an unboxing of a smartwatch. So this is the box that we have got from the Flipkart. So now Leslie open the box and see the contents. So today we have the Amazefit smartwatch. This is Amazfit smartwatch Pop 3R. You can see it has a round metallic design, 1.3 HD AMOLED display, Bluetooth connectivity, 100 plus sports modes, and a long battery life. So let's open the box and see the contents of this. So here we have the smartwatch. Let's keep it aside and see the other contents. So in the box you will get a smartwatch. Then we have the charging cable. Then we have the strap adjusting kit, which you can see over here. And then we have a catalog or the manual, which is in Hindi, also in English. And then we have an instruction guide on how to adjust the straps. So let's get everything aside and come to the contents of the smartwatch. So here we have the smartwatch. As you can see, this is coming in a metal body, but you also get an option to choose from the silicone strap, which is 500 rupees cheaper, but I like this metal one, so I went for this metal smartwatch. The build is coming with a very solid build, and it looks very classy in your hand. I am also wearing a MI band, so you can see the size. So now it is little bit loose in my hand, but I will try to adjust the strap later according to my size. So let me quickly do the setup and come back to and I will later show you the features of the smartwatch. So when you take the smartwatch for the first time, it will ask you to scan the QR code and download the app. So I will try to first download the app and quickly set up the watch. So we have completed the setup of the smartwatch, and you can see the look of the smartwatch. The display is very bright, and since it's AMOLED, the look, the screen is very crisp and very bright. If you tap on the screen, you will see the watch faces. This one is the one I have downloaded, but you get around 4 inbuilt smartwatch faces. This one is also very nice. Then we have this blue one and also this white one, which looks very classy, but I will prefer to use this simple one because it looks very simple and very elegant. So in the menu over here we have the settings, the camera, find phone, messages, flashlight, weather, breathe, stress, timer, stopwatch, alarm clock, phone, music, sleep, oxygen level, heart rate, voice assistant, workout, and activity data. If you swipe from the top, you will see the shortcuts for the settings, the brightness, then raise to wake feature, the Bluetooth connectivity. If you swipe from the bottom, you will see the new messages. If you swipe from the left, you will see the AI assistant, and then if you swipe from the right, you will see the short activity data, the shortcuts, the blood oxygen level, the sleep timer, oxygen level, the weather, music control. So in the workout you get almost 100 working modes, which is adequate enough for day-to-day life. If you go to see the size of the smartwatch, I have the square one over here, and so you can see the size of the smartwatch from side to side. So this one should fit anybody who has a small wrist like me. It's also better to have who have a bigger wrist. So if you see build, the build is very good. I like the build of it. But at the back, you can see there is the body is in plastic compared to the other smartwatches where they give you the metal build. But it's still, for me, it's still okay. I'll still go for this one. For syncing your smartphone, you have to download the Zap app from the Play Store, and this is the interface of the app. We have a lot of options to set up the call reminder, camera, sports mode, finding the device, and you have not get a lot of option to choose the dials. We have almost more than 100 plus option of choosing the dial style faces for your smartwatch. You can also have a custom dial where you can put your own photo. So this is the interface of the smartwatch where you can get all the health related data, your fitness and everything in one app. Then there is one more feature in the smartwatch, that is the always on display, which you can activate by going in the settings. So you have to go in the settings, then here over here is the always on display clock, which is turned off by default, so you have to turn it on. And you have to choose whether you want to have a digital clock or analog clock. I will choose a digital clock. And I have set it for a time of 5 minutes. So this is the analog, how it looks. But if you keep the always on display, it will consume a lot of battery life, so I will suggest you not to keep the always on display. So what I like about this is this is very premium. It gives a very premium build with a metal body. Then the Amazefit watches are known for their accuracy. The workout mode, if you are using it, they tend to give you very accurate result as compared to the other smartwatches. That's why I prefer this smartwatch. Then the battery life that is claimed by the company is very 12 life. So I was looking for a smartwatch that is very long lasting. So this is the one that clicks most of the boxes. So I don't want to charge it very often, so this will work for me. Previously I was using this smartwatch from Pebble, so I was looking for a round dial, so this watch clicks most of my requirements, so I went for this. The only thing I don't see over here is that there is no calculator, and then you don't see any games, inbuilt games. Apart from that, then we have all the other features which are available in most of the smartwatches. I will not go them in the detail because most of the people, they have already seen these features, so I don't need to go to in detail. So this is the Amazfit Pop 3R. So if you are planning to buy this smartwatch, you can buy it from Flipkart for less than 4,000. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.